me? You want to fucking shoot me?
Mr. Dirty! Mr. G is dirty! Get up to me on.
El teléfono, cabe verga. A lo que vienes.
That's why you do a blind spot check, you moron. Fuck! What the fuck?
Can you get him, please? Yeah. The fucking cunt just cut me off.
You okay, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, please catch him. Yeah, that cunt just cut me off. Yeah, I got him on camera. Can you catch him, please? Yeah, that cunt cut me. Fuck me. Yeah, don't worry. I need to catch that guy.
Hey, that's mad.
I know. Stop! I've got you on camera. Yes, you did. Look, I've got you on camera right here. No, I'm calling the police. Wait there. You cut across me. No, you cut right across me and sped up. Look, you see that? Look. Yeah, mate, I've got the whole thing on camera, right? You hit me right here, look. You see this?
Oh my god.
You cut, look, mate. You cut right in front of me and cut me off.
How? Honestly, I didn't feel you.
You sped past me and went like this. You actually cut me off like that.
Honestly, didn't feel you, mate. Honestly, I didn't even feel you touch me. I was just driving normal. I parked at the lights normally. I turned right normally.
Everyone stopped up there because they saw you going off. People about to chase you.
I swear we're having a conversation. I didn't even know. I didn't even feel it. Not anything.
Okay?
Honestly, you're right. Honestly, I didn't know, mate. Honestly.
You're right.
I can't even see. Wait.
As you can see right there, the right lane is right turn only. I can go straight or right. The next lane can go straight or left, and then the far left lane is left only. My particular lane can turn into the far left. It's a 3-lane road that we're going to be turning onto. I can either go into the far left or the middle. I can go into both. Where that red car is in this truck, so the truck's the problem one. He's supposed to only go into the far right lane, as the next screen will show with the arrows. And he basically cuts straight across into me, and so I just rev bomb him and then just beat it and get out of there, because I don't want to be anywhere near this guy who doesn't know how to drive in his lane. Now most people would just flip him off, start swearing at him, yelling at him. Some of them would smash their mirrors. My motto is, I don't want to be anywhere near these bad drivers. So if something happens like that, as you'll see right here, rev bomb, let him know I'm there, he comes over, and then I just gun it and I'm out of there.
Fucking faggot ass bitch. Fuck you, dude. What the fuck is your problem? Nah, fuck you, dude. You almost fucking ran me off the goddamn road. Fuck you, dude. Pull the fuck over. You want to call the cops to be a fucking pussy? Fucking faggot. Shoot me. You want to fucking shoot me? You sit there and say you're going to call the police, and now you want to shoot me. Call the police, dude. Call them. Call them. I wish you fucking would, faggot. Now you gonna follow me?